Get it. Well, I think we're gonna finish up the exterior today on the C10, and I know I had said I wanted to do a couple extra steps on it. I'm gonna bump that 2 extra steps down to 1 because with the way that this paint came out, I am just super happy with. I only think it could get better if we wet sanded it, but this paint's not in good enough condition to really go to that much effort on to get rid of some of the high spots and whatnot. But just look at the shine on this thing, and that's just with the compound. So she's looking fantastic. So I am just going to throw a coat of wax over it, and yeah, that's all I think I'm gonna do, because I don't think the cleaner wax is gonna clean anything else up. So I might as well just put the coat of wax on it. It's just like a carnauba wax. I'm not gonna ceramic coat or do anything like that. It just doesn't need it. Not with paint that still has, you know, overspray scratches and stuff like that everywhere. But it's got a great patina look to it, and I'm super stoked with how it came out. So let me show you guys my plan on the wax, and then I've got a surprise for after that that I'm really excited about to throw on the truck. So all right, let's show you what we're working with here. I'm going to use this stuff I had in the cabinet, and that's why I'm using it. I have no other reason to use it than that. Stuff I bought before, and it worked pretty good. I think just about any good wax is going to do the job. I'm sure there's some for yellows and stuff, but a lot of that's over my head, and I know this will do the jobs. Then I bought a couple new pads and new buffing backer for my DA, and these are Chemical Guys pads, and they had a lot of really good reviews. This is the soft pad for waxing and polishing. So I threw this on there, and I'm gonna hit this whole front, go to low speed and just cover everything. Try to, you know, stretch as much as possible, and then let it dry for 15 minutes, and then wipe it off. So let me get that done. I'm kind of gambling here because the weather's not fantastic today, so I'll get after it. All right, good news. I beat the weather. I got the front clip done, and man, it's like butter. It feels so good. It looks great. Again, I don't think it would have cleaned up more with the cleaner wax. It may have been worth a try, but I'm really happy with the way it came out. And there's just a lot of orange peel that's just going to prevent some of the shine to come out. But compared to the chalky mess it was before, this thing's the diamond. So extremely happy with that. We've got some nasty rain coming tonight and tomorrow, so it's going to be a little while before the weather's very good. So I'm gonna be shutting it down for a couple days, so I will work on getting the bed done maybe tomorrow. It's kind of covered. It's just super humid out, and it's going to take forever for that wax to dry, just like it did for this. So I will catch up with you guys in a couple days, and I'll show you the surprise I got for it. And yeah, also real quick, I think I got a name for it. Didn't really get many suggestions, but my buddy Will said, you know what, why don't you call it banana split? And I was like, nah, I don't want to really call it banana split, but I like the idea, because you got the yellow, you got the white. So I'm gonna call this thing B split. So that's what you'll see it referenced as probably from now on out. So B split, the C10, and the, yeah, getting closer and closer. Well, it's been about 6 days of nothing but wet, rain, thunder, lightning, you know, the whole South Texas thing we do in May, unfortunately. And I don't know if you guys can make it out, but the back of my property has got a river going through it. So needless to say, I haven't got as much done on the C10 as I wanted to. However, I really want to get a video out to you guys. It's been a little bit. It's kind of driving me nuts that we've got like 3 things going on and we weren't able to finish any of them because of the rain. But I did get the truck to a point where I really want to show you guys. So without further ado, check it out. All right. What if you guys noticed something different? We've got a good set of Chevy Rallies on there now. The paint looks fantastic. It's about as good as we're going to be able to get it. And you know, even with skipping that middle process, I don't think we could have got it any better, because it just cleaned up so well with that 105. But it's really starting to look great. Again, I can't be happier with the way that this paint came out. The truck looks, you know, fantastic. Even got the tailgate done, the new wheels on it. I do like these Rallies. The tires are a little bit narrow for my taste, but I think they look good overall, and I got a pretty good deal on them. So, you know, the exterior of the truck, minus a couple things on the front end here, which I'll show you, is done. So I do think I'm going to run another coat of wax over it once the humidity dies down a little bit. Not that the humidity is going to get better, but there's just a lot of moisture in the air. And this is actually a new to me grill, and it's better than the other one that was on it, especially since like the other one was all messed up right here. So it's not perfect, but again, the truck's not perfect, so it actually fits really well. But I've got to do a couple things to that to fix it and get it bolted up before I throw the bumper and everything else back on. But again, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and just how well this thing came out. It looks like a total different truck, you know, and the seat already looks great. I'm gonna start working on buffing the interior out, just with, you know, a hand sponge and stuff. Clean all that up, get a dash pad for it. So I got some plans for that. And yeah, we're gonna start working on the mechanicals of this thing. So it's really coming along, and I can't wait to get to the point to where I can start driving it. So it's gonna be a little bit before that, especially since this weather really put us behind, but we're getting on it. Another thing, I got a video coming out soon on the boat. We got the carburetor rebuilt, but again, this weather has not let us get back after it. So that'll be something we're working on soon. And I'm also working on a video on the Dakota and putting a brand new radiator in it. So again, project started, rain interrupted. So anyways, if you want to see more content like the C10 and what we're doing with it, please subscribe if you're not, and show you guys how we get this thing to a good running and driving platform. It's already looking good. So thanks for coming along as always. Until next time, you know the deal. Y'all be good.